Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can set up Mailchimp account, and we will also see how we can connect our Mailchimp account with our website. So it will be helpful for us to get new viewers for our website to subscribe for our newsletter. And we will also see how we can create newsletter using Mailchimp. And we will see a lot more things. So stay with us till the very end and don't miss out on anything. So let's get started. So first of all, if you want to get Mailchimp, then you need to open up your browser and then search for Mailchimp over here. And after that, you will find this very first link from Mailchimp. Just click on it. And after it opens up, you can just sign up for a free account, and it is quite easy. You will be required some of your information, and you will also be required your business address or your home address. It would be better if you could give your business address so everything can go well. And after signing up, you can just log into your account, and this is how your account will look like. Now let's see how we can set up our email address. So for that, you need to click on this option of websites on the left hand side and just scroll down a little. Then you will be able to see this option of domains over here. Just click on it. After that, you need to just scroll down and you will be able to see this option of email domains. Just click on add and verify domain. After that, you need to just provide it and verify your email domain using your email. A code will be sent to you. Just use that code and you will be verified. And this is how easy it is. Now let's move on and see how we can create newsletters. And after that, we will be seeing how we can connect our website with our Mailchimp in order to get our new visitors on our website to subscribe for our newsletter. So in order to create a newsletter, you need to just click on this option of campaigns, and after that you need to click on this option of all campaigns. Just click on it, and after that just click on this option of create campaign on the top. And here you need to select this option of regular email. So we will be using regular email to create newsletters. We will just redesign it and customize it as per our requirement. So just click on this option of design email. Then two options will appear over here, the new builder or the classic builder. So this one is the new one, and it has some more advantages or some more features, but I like the classic builder much better. And let's move ahead with the classic builder. So just click on it and it will open up itself. After that, it will provide you different templates. You can choose any of it, and as per your requirement, like the whatever kind of newsletter you are looking for, one column or 1:2 column or different kinds of templates are there. You can also select these templates like the sell products, make an announcement, and if your newsletter is related to that. You can also check how they look like by just looking at them, but only the first two templates are free, others are paid. So you need to upgrade your Mailchimp account in order to get these templates, but we don't have to worry about it. We can just customize these particular templates as per our wish. So just select the first one for now as an example. After it opens up, we can just change it all as per our requirement. Let me do some changes so it looks different. So when we click on this option of edit over here, it will just show up this way, and we will be able to change it. Like we can just type crypto, since crypto is in news nowadays, so we just changed it to crypto newsletter. We can also change the font and all the style of this particular text. So let's get it little bold, and we can also change it to italics if we want to, but we won't do it. There's a bunch of options for you to play around and for you to customize it as much as you can. And you can also add some styles to it, like the color, the size, and everything else. So just click on save and close for now. And you can also add logo to it. Just click on this option of edit, and then you will be able to assign your company's logo over here, and it will look more professional this way. Then we can add photos over here, and for that we need to just click on it and this option will appear. Here we can see that it is 564 by 212 photo. So we just need to select it and it will be selected automatically this way. We can also change the size of that particular image over here this way. All we have to do is just use the slide bar and we will be able to do it. So we got plenty of options to design or customize our newsletter. Then we can just select this one and we can just type in all the messages that we want to type for this paragraph. And suppose you want this to be at the bottom, then you can just drag and drop it at the bottom and it will just go at the bottom. And this is how easy it is. And if you want to remove something, you just have to click on this option of dustbin and it will be deleted. So you have full freedom to do all the customizations for yourself on this newsletter. Now suppose you want to change the name of this button. It is actually a button, so we can just click on this option of like click here, and we can also provide a website link or an email address or a file for the viewer of this particular newsletter to go for a call to action. Like you want the user to go for a website, then you can just select this option of web address and provide the URL of that particular web address where you want to send the traffic. So this is how it works. And when you go on the style section, you can just change the color of it. Like if you make it a little greener, it will become green, and it is related to money, so this is how it will look. Click on save changes and this is how it will happen. And you can add other features as well over here. Like if you want to add a divider between these, then just drag and drop it and it will be creating a divider between it. So I have created a divider between logo and the heading. Click on save and let's get one more between the button and the upper paragraph, and this is how it will appear. So just design it, and now let's go a little down and see our footer. You can just design the footer as well. It is completely up to us how we want to design it. And when you click on that particular socials, we just have to click on it and provide our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and other page URL that you want to add over here. And this is how easy to create newsletters using Mailchimp. Now let's see how we can connect our Mailchimp account with our website. So for that, let's save it for now. And after saving the draft of our newsletter, you will be provided with this screen. Here you need to provide some more details like the to option, from option and subject, and the content of your newsletter is still incomplete. That's for sure, like we didn't complete it right now, but I'm just showing you out. So you need to just edit it all and it will not be much of a problem for you now. Now let's move on with our next stuff. So for that, you need to click on this option of create. And here you will find this option of sign up forms. Just click on it, then click on this option of pop-up form. So this way, whenever someone comes to your website, they will be able to see a form popping up on their screen, and it will basically ask them to provide their email address and subscribe for your newsletter. So you just have to click on this pop-up form after that, then select the audience over here and then click on begin. And after that, you need to just design the layout over here, like subscribe to our newsletter or crypto newsletter or whatever the heading that you want to give. And you can also click on this option of email. You can also click on this option of add and also ask for other details as well, like their birthday. So they might feel that they will be wished on their birthday, so it might be special for them. And this way you will be able to gather more information from them. And in order to edit this subscribe button, you need to just click over here, then click on it and just change the location of it as per your requirement. You can also change the color of it, like you can make it maybe green, and the hover color to yellow. So whenever someone hovers around it, it will turn yellow, and if they move the cursor, it will turn green. So this is how it will work. You can also change the text from subscribe to something else. You can add other things as well. And after that, you need to click on this option of connect site. Then provide the URL of your site and click on I accept the additional terms for connected sites, and then click on this option of get started. After that, it will provide you a code, and all you have to do is just copy that code and paste it in the header of your website. After that, you need to check the connection and enable your website. It will just appear right over here. Just close it and After that, you need to just press on this option of save and publish, and people will be getting the pop-up message on your website whenever they visit, and they will be providing you details about them. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. You can always comment down below. We will be happy to help you out. So make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.